sent across the country. Now, local doctors are trying to educate their own communities about why getting those shots are so important. Thanks for joining us. I'm Christian Brewer. We were there tonight as a roundtable of doctors got together to answer questions for a local Haitian church. Channel 9 Sierra Putman learned the idea was to share what they know in the main language of many churchgoers, Haitian Creole. At last check, more than 800 people have tuned in to hear what they had to say.
The whole idea is to meet people in the community where they feel safe and where they trust people. That's the reason why this roundtable is happening here at Gilga SDA Church in Pine Hills.
Saturday night, hundreds of eyes were on the happenings inside this church. There was prayer, no sermon, but a lesson in COVID.
We want them to make an informed decision. So we pray and we beg for your presence.
No one seated in the pews, instead streamed to hundreds of viewers watching via Facebook and YouTube. Doctors explaining COVID-19, the new vaccines, and answering questions in Haitian Creole.
So they can actually ask questions directly.
Dr. Junius Desamore set up the event. He practices internal medicine. This is his church.
They are friends, so I know them for years. So I think that makes a difference.
The difference of earned trust. He gathered colleagues to help dispel misinformation spreading online. Dr. Cadet, an infectious disease physician, was happy to do it. Patients tell him point blank,
"Oh no, I'm not taking this." As a matter of fact, some of them, I offer them a flu shot. They think that I'm asking them about the COVID shot. So that's how apprehensive they are about the COVID-19 vaccine.
The goal of tonight, alleviate some of that vaccine apprehension, some of it created in the Black community after cases like the Tuskegee experiment. These doctors stress that was the past. To prove he believes that, Dr. Desamore shows this card. Proof he already got the first shot of the Pfizer vaccine.
I had a little soreness in the arm where I took it, but after that, there was no really adverse reaction.
He wants to be an example that the vaccine is safe for most people.
And because this was a virtual roundtable, if somebody missed a question or wants to go back and listen to and answer one more time, well, you can, because it's still on Facebook and YouTube. Reporting in Orange County, Sierra Putman, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.